Hello everyone! Welcome to Lotus Talks Nucleus. I am Miao Donglei, a youth nuclear science volunteer from the Voice of the Little Lotus. Today, let's talk about the atomic nucleus, often simply called the nucleus. To understand the nucleus, we first need to talk about atoms. Atoms are tiny building blocks of everything around us. Even the smallest objects visible to our eyes are composed of countless atoms. But how small are they? Well, imagine lining up 1 million atoms in a row. They will only be as long as the width of a single human hair. Atoms have an inner structure which is more delicate, kind of like a mini solar system. At the center, it is our main character, the atomic nucleus, that takes the spotlight. It is made of two even smaller particles tightly bound together, protons and neutrons. Just like planets orbiting the Sun, electrons orbiting the nucleus at super high speeds. We already knew that atoms are super small. So let's guess the size of the atomic nucleus and electrons. If an atom were as big as a soccer field, then the nucleus would be a tiny bean right in the center, while the electrons will resemble specks of dust swirling around, far smaller than protons and neutrons. This means most of the space in an atom is actually empty. But don't be fooled by the size. Although the nucleus is tiny, it is not to be underestimated. In fact, 99.96% of an atom's weight comes from the nucleus, while the electrons are so light that their weight is almost nothing. That's all for today. Now you know a bit more about the small but mighty atomic nucleus, don't you?